We'll have next example on the same topic. General linear differential equation of first order. Example number, okay, write on that number. Consider the equation x square y dash plus 2xy is equal to 1. This is the exact differential equation. 1 to multiply. Show that every solution tends to 0 as x tends to infinity. And another part of it, find the solution phi find the solution phi which satisfies phi at 2 is 2 times phi of 1. This condition is 1. Read that example. We can easily observe that uh, the term here, that x square into derivative of y, and this is derivative of x square into y. Or we can do as usual method, that you find you it is not in standard form, but we can do it in standard form. Both the way you can do. I will show you our usual way. The given differential equation is x square into y dash plus 2x into y is equal to 1. This is directly exact form I can write. It is x square into y dash is equal to 1. So y means solution, you are going to find it. So what is it? X square y is equal to integration of 1 plus constant of integration c. So value of y is x upon x square plus c upon x square. So that is y is equal to 1 by x plus c upon x square. This is solutions. We haven't applied our either method, but you can do it your regular method. That what is regular method? You adjust in standard form by dividing x square to both sides. Both is one. Both are one in the same way. So your equation becomes y dash plus 2 upon x square, 2 upon x into y is equal to 1 by x square. So here you can see p of x is 2 upon x and p of x is 1 by x square. So what is capital A of x? Capital A of x is integration of that 2 upon x is log x. We can write this as log of, okay, this is equal to log of x square also we can write it. We are using our regular method here. Huh? This method, this is another method, because the equation is directly exact. So you need to multiply it by e to the power your a of x, that e to the power log of x square. E to the power log will be the x square directly. So what you're doing? You're doing just multiplying x square to both sides here. So your any phi solution, your equation become x square phi dash x plus 2 by x into phi is equal to 1 by x square multiplied by x square. So this becomes x square phi dash x plus 2x into phi is equal to 1. So this is x square phi of x equal to 1. So phi of x is, uh, okay, integrating it, phi of x is x square into phi of x is x plus c, integration of 1 is x. So finally phi of x becomes x upon x square, that is 1 by x plus c upon x square. In the both way we have solved it, but if you guess it is total derivative, then you can do like this also. Any one method you can apply by your practice. So you get solution as thus, general solution writing. Thus y means phi of x 1 upon x plus constant of integration c upon x square is solution of x square y dash plus 2xy is equal to 1, where c is any constant of integration. Now in the part A, what we want to show? In the part A, we want to show that when limit x tends to infinity, phi of x must be 0. So just calculate the limit as x tends to infinity, 1 by x and c by x square. So this becomes 1 by infinity plus c by infinity square means it is again infinity. So 1 by infinity is 0. 1 upon infinity square means it is 1 by infinity. Infinite number square is again infinite number. So as x tends to infinity, 1 by x and 1 by x square will tend to 0. Thus in the part A, every solution, because of constancy, this solution is every solution phi of x of given differential equation tends to 0 as x tends to infinity. This was the part A. Now look at for the part B. What is part B? You are given, okay, right? This is the solution of given equation 1 by x plus c by x square, where c is constant, any constant, is solution of x square y dash plus 2xy is equal to 1. And given condition that phi of 2 is equal to 2 times phi of 1. Okay, separately you calculate phi of 2. What will be phi of 2? It is 1 by 2 plus c upon 2 square, that is 4. What is phi of 1? It is x equal to 1. So it is just 1 plus c. So this addition becomes, यांची addition करू शकतो आपण, ती काय येईल? 2 plus c upon 4. So it is known as that phi of t is 2 times phi of 1. So this implies 2 plus c upon 4 is phi of 2, which is 2 times phi of 1. Phi of 1 is 1 plus c. And from this equation, you just find the constant c. Okay, you can calculate and find out easily 2 plus c is equal to 4 into 2, 8, 8 plus 8c. So what is value of c then? 8c minus c is equal to 2 minus 8. That is 7c equal to, the calculation बरोबर आहे का तपासा? 7c is equal to minus 6. So c is minus 6 by 7. Just check the calculations. Huh? So it implies value of c is minus 6 by 7. Solution आपलं ठेवायचं त्या ठिकाणी. So phi of x is 1 by x plus c. C is minus 6 by 7 upon x square. So solution is 1 by x minus 6 by 7 x square. The solution satisfying given conditions. When you put phi of 1 and phi of 2, it will satisfy your condition. If it satisfies, then you can say that your solution is okay. Any difficulty so far? This example, anyone want to ask anything? Just say yes or no.
No, sir.
You mark your attendance. I'll write next example till then. You mark your attendance. 22 are present. Mark attendance, everybody. If phi psi are two solutions, if phi psi are two solutions of y dash plus a of x into y equal to 0, satisfying phi of x naught is equal to psi of x naught. Okay, I have to write earlier example. I written this. Okay, third part. We'll solve it first. Phi of x naught plus phi of psi naught for some x naught for some x naught in I. Show that काय दाखवायला लागले तो विचार करा आता आपल्याला काय दाखवायला लागले ते इनिशियल काही पॉइंटला हे सारखं आहे एक फॉर सम एक्स नॉट इन आय तर तुम्हाला दाखवायचंय फाय ऑफ एक्स आणि साय ऑफ एक्स हे वेगवेगळे नसून ते काय आहेत एकच आहेत सर्व डोमेन वरती we will try to solve it. Given differential equation is y dash means dy by dx function of x multiplied by y is equal to 0. Here a of x is given and b of x is 0. It is homogeneous differential equation. And suppose that there exists some function a dash x whose derivative is a of x. So that means your integrating factor is e to the power a of x. So you just multiply these to both sides. This a of x means for some x naught. You can write this also. So on multiplying this to both sides, on multiplying by u, so it is e to the power a of x multiplied to given equation phi dash. If phi is solution, you're writing that. So you need to find the solution phi here. So this implies e to the power a of x into phi its derivative. This is equal to 0. So it's equal to 0 means its integration will be, what is integration of this? It is just constant of integration for some constant c1. So this implies phi of x is c1 e to the power minus a of x, where c1 is any constant. Now similarly, we have to assume that psi is solution of that. It is given that. Read that example. Phi and psi are two solutions. Phi solutions phi काढला आता psi solution आहे ते काढायचं आपल्याला. तसं कॉन्स्टंटची किंमत आपण इथं काढू शकतो c1 काय आहे ते. ठीक आहे आपण समजा आता let psi of x is also solution of this equation. This means what? Given differential equations. So that means psi dash x plus a of x into psi of x is equal to 0. So as usual, multiply by integrating factor. What is that? A to the power a of x. What is capital A of x? The capital A of x is the term such that whose derivative is small a of x, like that. So this equation becomes e to the power a of x into psi's derivative is equal to constant, where c2 is constant of integration. Now you can write what is psi. So on integrating both sides, okay, this is before integration I have written. Okay. After integration, you get that constant, where this c2 is constant. So what is psi? Psi is c2 e to the power minus a of x, where c2 is constant. Now given condition, त्या कंडिशनवर आपल्याला c1 c2 काढायचे. गिवन कंडिशन काय सांगते? phi of x naught आणि psi of x naught हे काय एकच आहेत. म्हणजे काय c1 e to the power minus of a of x naught आणि c2 e to the power minus a of एक्स नॉट हे सारखेच आहे. हे सारखे असलेले टर्म कॅन्सल होतील. तिथं काय होईल? C1 C2 वेगळे नसून ते काय एकच आहेत. C1 C2 वेगळे नसून ते काय एकच आहेत. So thus C1 equal to C2 we can call it as C. So phi of x is C e to the power minus a of x, which is equal to phi of x तोच आहे C1 C2 सारखा असल्यामुळे. म्हणजे काय? phi of x आणि psi of x हे सर्व दिलेल्या इंटरवल साठी ट्रू आहे. फॉर एव्हरी एक्स इन आय. आले लक्षात आहे? Do you got it? Mark attendance. 4 students are remaining to mark attendance. Mark your attendance. Okay, next example I am going to write. Consider the homogeneous equations. Actually, this I have to write first, and it was the third part of the same example. Consider homogeneous equation. Which one? Y dash plus a of x into y is equal to 0, where a is continuous on an interval I, where a of x is continuous on interval I. Now the earlier example was part C of the same example. Show that function phi the function phi given by phi of x equal to 0 for all x in I satisfies this equation. Satisfies this equation. But this solution is called as trivial solution. The phi of x identically 0 on the interval I. ते सॅटिस्फाय करणं सोपं आहे, आपण दाखवू शकतो इझिली. हे इक्वेशन सॅटिस्फाय होणं म्हणजे काय? y इक्वल टू phi of x, ते 0 घ्यायचं आहे आपल्याला फॉर एव्हरी एक्स इन आय. हे सोल्युशन आहे असं दाखवायचं. म्हणजे y डॅश म्हणजे phi डॅश x काय येईल? 0 येईल. दिलेल्या इक्वेशन मध्ये ठेवलं तर काय येतं पाहते. सो phi dash of x into a of x into phi of x. Phi dash x is 0 for every x in I, आणि phi of x सुद्धा आपल्याला 0 दिलाय for every x in I. That means phi of x equal to 0 satisfies given differential equation. Homogeneous equation चं ट्रिवियल सोल्युशन हे काय असेल? फंक्शन इक्वल टू 0 आहे. गोष्ट या ठिकाणी लक्षात घ्या. हा झाला ए पार्ट. मागाशी पाहिलेला तो सी पार्ट होता, तो पण आपण शेवटीला रिकॉल करूयात त्याला. B part of this example. If phi is any solution, first part was trivial one. If phi is any solution of y dash plus a of x into y is equal to 0. If phi is any solution of this and phi of x naught is 0 for some x naught in I, ही initial condition दिली आहे. Show that phi is trivial solution, म्हणजे phi of x 0 आहे. Show that trivial solution म्हणजे काय? Show that this phi is trivial solution means show that phi of x is 0. एक कंडिशन दिली ज्यात y ची किंमत 0 असेल तर सांगायचं ते सोल्युशन काय आहे? 0 सोल्युशन आहे. 0 सोल्युशन दाखवायचं म्हणजे काय करायचं? phi of x equal to 0 for all x in I. वरच्या प्रमाणेच प्रोसिजर करायची याला. इफ phi is solution of the given equation, that means phi dash plus a of x into phi is 0. And suppose the a of x is function such that its derivative is a of x, then your integrating factor is e to the power a of x. जहाँ a of x काय असतो, एक फिक्स पॉइंट घ्या कुठलाही त्यामधला, त्याचं इंटिग्रेशन करणं म्हणजे a of x. जनरल प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये आपण रेंज घेत नाही, डायरेक्ट इंटिग्रेशन घेऊन टाकतो. असा a of x शोधायचा, त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह तुमचा काय असावा, कोएफिशियंट ऑफ y असावा. आणि मग e to the power that काय असतो, इंटिग्रेटिंग फॅक्टर. On multiplying by that factor to both sides, so that left hand side becomes the total derivative term. Right hand side is 0, so 0 into that term becomes 0. So left hand side is e to the power a of x into phi. That's a derivative I equal to 0. Integrating both sides. On integrating both sides, it is e to the power a of x into phi is equal to constant, where c is any constant. So what is value of phi? Phi of x is c into e to the power minus a of x. Now initial condition is given to us. What is that? For some x naught in I. What is phi of x naught? Phi of x naught आपल्याला काय दिलं आहे, 0 दिलाय, त्याच्यावरून c काढायचं. म्हणजे काय, phi of x naught is equal to c e to the power minus a of x naught. A of x naught काय असेल माहित नाही, पण phi of x naught 0 आहे, c into e to the power minus a of x naught. c हा कॉन्स्टंट आहे आणि हे फंक्शन ऑफ x आहे, इथे आपल्याला c ची किंमत 0 मिळते. या ठिकाणी c ची किंमत 0 मिळणं म्हणजे phi of x काय झाला. If you get c equal to 0, then what is phi of x? Phi of x is equal to 0 into e to the power minus a of x is equal to 0. That is phi of x equal to 0 for every defined range. That means phi is trivial solution. Phi of x equal to 0 यानं म्हणजे काय, phi त्याचं काय आहे, सोल्युशन आहे. Phi of x याला काय म्हणतात, phi thus which is trivial solution. Which is trivial solution of given equations. Now with considering this was the third part of the same example that earlier we have shown. If phi and psi are two solutions of given differential equations, and in which phi of x naught and psi of x naught are same, then we want to show that phi of x and psi of x are identical on the interval. So you have shown that the constants are same. Though phi and psi are two solutions, take two different constants, but finally you get both the constants are same. Then you get phi of x equal to psi of x. That was the third part of this example. Any difficulty you can ask. Yes. Attendance mark करा बाकीचे राहिलेले.